A cinematic, ultra-realistic 4K documentary-style journey inside a German factory showcases the making of the Audi RS3, beginning with an aerial sunrise view of a massive production facility filled with moving assembly lines, transitioning into a modern design studio where designers craft digital sketches and clay models, followed by engineers analyzing a detailed 3D CAD model in a high-tech lab. The process continues as aluminum and steel materials are prepared, then shaped by powerful industrial press machines into precise body panels, while robotic arms assemble the body frame with sparks flying during advanced welding, leading into surface cleaning and preparation before entering a high-tech paint booth where the car receives its glossy red finish. Meanwhile, skilled engineers assemble the turbocharged engine in a clean workshop before robotic systems install it into the chassis, followed by transmission setup, suspension and braking system installation, and interior assembly, where seats, dashboard, and steering components are fitted. Next, technicians integrate complex electronics and wiring systems, after which alloy wheels and performance tires are mounted, bringing the car into the final assembly line for finishing touches. Rigorous quality inspections ensure perfection in paint, panel gaps, and interior before the vehicle undergoes real-world road testing for performance and handling, ultimately culminating in a dramatic studio-lit final reveal of the fully completed Audi RS3 in a cinematic hero shot.